Dear students, today I am going to tell you something about electrostatics. Electrostatics, it deals with charges at rest. Before going in detail, what is a charge? Charge क्या होता? Charge is basically, you know what is an atom? Atom is a smallest particle of an element. Element का सबसे छोटा particle, which consists of two parts: nucleus and the electrons surrounding the nucleus. This nucleus contains neutrons and protons. Neutrons and protons. These neutrons and protons, as you know, the protons are positively charged. Neutron is electrically neutral. These two never possess the same property. They exchange their property. Sometimes neutron becomes proton, proton becomes neutron because of the pions which lie within the nucleus. Around the nucleus, electrons are revolving around the nucleus. As you know, the atom is electrically neutral, but the electron possesses negative charge. This positive and this is neutral. When this electron is some way taken out of the atom से बाहर निकाल देंगे इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को. कैसे निकाल देंगे? There are so many ways by which we can make this electron to move out of the atom. कौन कौन सा है? Either you can use rubbing method. Rubbing method. Or you can use field method. Number third, you can use heating method. These are some methods. And fourth, you can use photo method. Rubbing means when you rub a material and we try to snatch these electrons from the material. Field means you are applying current. Heating means you are applying heat to the substance. Photo method means you are supplying or allowing the solar energy to fall on the surface. Electron gains energy and leaves the surface. Now here we will discuss the rubbing method. Rubbing method means, let us suppose we take here a glass rod. एक गिलास rod ले लेंगे. You know this glass rod is made up of number of glass atoms. Each and every atom has the free electron, which is known as valence electron, in its outermost shell. जो बाहर वाली shell में electron होता है उसको valence electron बोलते हैं, which is loosely bound to the nucleus. Nucleus के साथ ही loosely bound होता है. Same is the case here. You are taking here glass rod, which is completely neutral, but the free electrons, which are loosely bound, make sort of electron film on the surface of the glass. We start rubbing this glass rod. We rub this glass rod by means of silk cloth. Silk cloth से इसको rub कर लेंगे. What we are doing, we are taking these electrons out from the glass rod. Glass rod से हम ये electrons को निकाल रहे, snatch कर रहे. What is left behind? पीछे क्या रहेगा? उनकी जगह रहेगी. उन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की जगह रहेगी जिसको हम नाम देते पॉजिटिव एक्सेप्टेंस, जिसको एक्सेप्टेंस भी बोलते। ये इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट कर सकता है, नया इलेक्ट्रॉन आ सकता है, उस पर बैठ सकता है, बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉन हैज बीन टेकन बाय द सोलर क्लॉक एंड their places is a concept. Places are the positive. Positive means acceptance power. So in general we say then what is a charge? अब चार्ज क्या होता है? अभी तक यहाँ तो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाल दिया, पीछे उसकी जगह रह गई. Then what is charge? Charge is basically it is a property either to attract or to repel a substance. या तो अट्रैक्ट करेगा या रिपेल करेगा. Here we take some properties of these. We have two types of charges. Two types of charges. One is positive charge, and second is negative charge. Positive charge and negative charge. This was the glass rod. In other way around, we can take second rod, let me say ebonite rod. Ebonite rod. Ebonite rod is a sort of hard plastic rod, black in color. When we rub it by means of phalanel से उसको rub कर लेंगे. We rub it by phalanel, we are spreading negative charge on the ebonite rod. Ebonite rod पर negative charge आ जाता है from phalanel. So these are the two types of charges. When we take these two charges nearer to each other, positive and negative, एक positive है एक negative है, दोनों के नजदीक ले जाएंगे, दे स्टार्ट अट्रैक्टिंग ईच अदर, वो एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. जैसे सपोज आई विल टेक हियर ए ग्लास रॉड which was positively charged. Let me suspend it. इसको हम सस्पेंड कर देते हैं, लटका देंगे धागे से. Then I will take another glass rod which is again positively charged. It has been observed this glass rod begins to move, repel, because these are the two like charges. Like charges repel. Same is the case if you take an ebonite rod. This was glass rod. This is again glass rod. If you take here an ebonite rod which is negatively charged, and another ebonite rod which is also negatively charged, this again starts moving away. By these two experiments, we say like charges repel each other. If we take one glass rod which is positively charged and another rod which is an ebonite rod which is negatively charged, take them nearer to each other, they start attracting each other. So here is a glass rod which is positively charged, and another rod is here, ebonite rod, which is negatively charged. They start moving towards each other, attract each other. That is unlike charges attract each other. Unlike charges एक दूसरे को attract करते. So like charges repel, unlike charges attract each other. This we have discussed. Now we say these charges are electrical in nature. Means whenever we rub something, somebody, some object, some material, it gets charged, it develops attracting power. Means it develops frictional electricity. It develops frictional electricity. By rubbing, friction is developed and it produces charge. This charge is additive in nature. This charge is additive nature. That means if we take number of charges Q1, because generally we denote charge by Q, Q1, Q2, Q3, dash, 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 so on. The total charge is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus so on. That means they can be added. Means it has an additive nature. Charges are quantized. Charges are quantized. That means if we take number of charges, at the time we say the total charge on a body is equal to plus minus n times E, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. And E is the charge on electron, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Because charge is always measured in coulombs. Coulomb is the unit of charge. So we can say the charge can be equal to 1 plus minus 1E. It can be plus minus 2E. It can be plus minus 3E and so on. It can be never 1.5. Fraction में कभी नहीं होगा. 1E, then 2E, then 3E. This means we say charge is quantized. At the same time, we say charge is conserved. As you know that matter can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Same is the case with charges. Charge can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be transferred from one body to another body. The total charge is always same. As you know that a glass rod, an ebonite rod, in the beginning it is electrically neutral. When we rub them, जिस वक्त हम इसको रब करेंगे, गिलास रॉड को रब करेंगे, एबोनाइट रॉड को रब करेंगे, इनके ऊपर चार्ज डेवलप हो जाता है. अगर हम इनको एक दूसरे के साथ फिर सिलिकुलात को गिलास रॉड के साथ टच करवाएंगे, गिलास रॉड बिकम्स अगेन न्यूट्रल. सेम इज द केस विद द एबोनाइट रॉड. अगर हम दिस एबोनाइट रॉड को फैलिन के साथ टच फिर करवा देंगे, ये फिर न्यूट्रल हो जाएगी. दिस मीन्स द टोटल चार्ज is always conserved. So we have discussed here about the charges, like charges, unlike charges, additive of the charges, conservation and quantization of the charges. So we will discuss Coulomb's law in next video. Thank you.